If you're wondering how to check the warranty status of your Samsung TV, you're in the right place. Knowing your warranty details is essential for repair or replacement requests. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you check your Samsung TV warranty. Step 1. Find your TV's model and serial number. Before you can check your warranty, you'll need your TV's model number and serial number. You can find this information on the back of your TV, sticker, or label, in the TV's settings menu, on the original box or receipt. Step 2. Visit Samsung's official website. Go to Samsung's official website, https www.samsung.com. Make sure you're on the correct regional site for your country. Step 3. Navigate to support. Once on the homepage, scroll to the bottom or look for the support section in the menu. Click on Warranty and Service Information. Step 4. Enter your model number. In the warranty section, you will be prompted to enter your TV's model number and serial number. This will help identify your product and warranty coverage. Step 5. Review warranty information. After entering the necessary details, the website will display your warranty information, including the start and end date of your coverage. You'll also find details about the type of warranty you have, e.g., standard or extended, and what it covers, repairs, replacements, etc. Step 6. Contact Samsung support, if needed. If you have any trouble or cannot find your warranty info, you can reach out to Samsung's customer support team. They can assist you in checking your warranty status. Step 7. Keep a record. It's always a good idea to save a copy of your warranty details, especially if you need to make a claim in the future. By following these simple steps, you can easily check your Samsung TV's warranty status and ensure you're covered in case of any issues.